Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to BioSimplified. Have you ever wondered, guys, what is the smallest unit of our life? Actually, the smallest unit of our life is a cell. But why the scientists were calling the cell as a basic structural and the functional unit of life? Let's break it down. Why we are calling it as a structural unit? Think, guys, first suppose if you wanted to build a house, what is the basic thing that we needed? A brick. All the bricks together make a building. Same way here, a cell, all the cells together going to make a living organism. A living organism can be a human being, it can be a plant or animals. So our entire body is made up of a cell. That is why they are calling it as a structural unit. Then why we are calling it as a functional unit? See, for our survival, what are the important activities that are required? First thing, we require growth, reproduction, nutrition, respiration, excretion. There are various type of important activities that should be performed in our body so that we can survive. So who is going to perform it? Again, cell. Cell is going to build our body. At the same time, whatever the important activities that are required for our body will be performed by the cell. That is the reason we are calling cell as a structural and functional unit of life. Then who are the scientists observed the cell? First scientist is a Robert Hooke. He is a scientist, observed cell under a microscope. Which cell he has observed? It means a cork cell. But why he named it as a cell means whenever he is seeing a cork under the microscope, he has seen a small tiny like compartments within it. So he named these compartments as a cell, but actually it turned out to be dead cell. Why? Because cork is a plant dead cell. But who is a scientist observed the living cell then? Anton von Leeuwenhoek. He is a scientist. For the first time, he observed the living cell under the microscope. So dead cell was observed by the Robert Hooke. Living cell was observed by the Anton von Leeuwenhoek. If you like the video, subscribe to BioSimplified. Thanks for watching.